There are ways where we can learn medical coding skill from the safety of our own home. Let's watch this demo video first. If you want to enhance your medical coding skill, this is absolutely for you. If 2 minutes is what you have, I would love to borrow that from you, and I promise you that I give my best on this online course. Since you all know the potential and the importance of IP DRG, I would love to share my knowledge, and my aim is to reach more and more people. They can use anywhere from the planet, just they need a smartphone with strong internet connection. Looking forward to spend time with you, teach you and train you. Some of the best tips or best practices which I have learned from last 8 years of my experience, and one way to take your medical coding skills to next level in your career. Right mindset in order to code with quality, which builds your career growth. If you're one among them, please see the description below. And if you feel someone could be benefit out of this video, please like this video and share this video with your friends. For more coding techniques or coding updates, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Uday signing off for now. We'll be seeing soon in my online course.